Hello students, today we are going to do the question and answer of the chapter The Desert. Comprehension check, page number 16. From the first paragraph. Question 1. Pick out two phrases which describe the desert as most people believe it is. Answer. An endless stretch of sand, hot, waterless and without shelter. Second question. Pick out two phrases which describe the desert as specialists see it. Which do you think is an apt description and why? Answer is a beautiful place, a home of variety of people, animals and plants. It is more apt because it is based on studies. Question number 2. The phrases on the left in the following box occur in the text. Match each of them with phrase on the right. An endless stretch of sand, fertile place with water and plants in a desert, waterless and without shelter, not visible because the grass is thick, and oasis, nothing but sand as far as one can see, hidden by a cover of grass, no water and no shade. Answer. An endless stretch of sand. Correct match is nothing but sand as far as one can see. Waterless and without shelter. Correct match, no water and no shade. An oasis, fertile place with water and plants in a desert. Number 4. Hidden by a cover of grass, not visible because the grass is thick. Comprehension check, page number 19. Question number 1. A camel can do without water for days together. What is the reason given in the text? Answer. A camel can do without water for days together because they sweat very little. They can retain the water they drink for long periods of time. Question number 2. How do the smaller desert animals fulfill their need for water? Answer. The smaller desert animals spend the day in the underground burrows to escape the heat. Some of them eat other animals and get the water they need from the moisture in the meat. Others eat plants and seeds and get the water they need from plant juices. Now question number 3. In a desert, the temperature rises during the day and falls rapidly at night. Why? Answer is, in humid climates, the air has moisture that acts like a blanket and protects the earth's surface from the hot rays of the sun. The absence of this blanket in desert lands causes the desert to heat up rapidly during the day and cool off rapidly at night. Exercise, page number 19. Do the following activities in group. Question 1. Describe a desert in your own way. Write a paragraph and read it aloud to your classmates. Answer. A desert is usually a dry, hot and waterless place. A desert may be too hot or too cold. It is a home to variety of plants and animals. They have learned to survive in hot and dry and cold conditions. Deserts have different kinds of vegetation.